Hi, today I got my Manfretto 055XPROB and also the Manfretto joystick head, and I'm really excited to unpack them, and I've actually ordered through Amazon and I'm just taking it out right now. Till now I have a usual tripod, and this is the first time I'm trying a professional one, and as you see, I think it really has a nice grip over here. And this is the Manfretto 055XPROB, and wow, it looks really good. And then wow, and one nice thing that I heard about it is I just loosen it a little bit and then this guy really comes up, because till now I used to have the normal tripod, and the tripod really used to be kind of, the maximum length that I used to get is only this much, and this one is really quite nice. And then I think the other thing with this is I can actually make sure that I can rotate, and then I can get it in a variety of positions actually. And yeah, this one also has a slight level head here, so it's quite convenient when you really need a tag sharp pictures. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is actually kind of bit bulky, but I think if you really need sturdy tripod, I think this is the way to go. And this is the Manfretto 322 RC2 joystick headshot, and this comes this is the packing that I get with. But let me tell you, this guy, it looks really sturdy, and the grip is really good. I just couldn't really ask for more. Initially, as I looked from the pictures, it looked as though it's really hard, but it's really easy to hold on to it. And the design itself looks very sturdy. That is what I've noticed. So let's try to fix it. So as you can see, it is so easy to fix it. And the real nice thing is, see this? You can just rotate throughout, right? That is the real good part about it. And okay, let me put in the normal position again. Now that's it. So I have the camera. I have actually did a little bit of hacking, and then I've already fixed the base to it. Now let me try to put it on this. Yeah, okay. The first time it's always okay. Now once it is fixed, I mean, it is so easy for you to really move across the complete stuff. See that? So I think this is extremely helpful in the situations where there are for the macro photography, and then especially when you're taking pictures of plants and all that. I think this is really helpful, because many situations I come as the we go in a real weird angles and we want to take pictures, but I think with the help of this guy now, I'm sure we can do a lot wonders. So let me pull it out one time. So now see that, I mean, the real power of this guy is to really do something like this. I mean, once we have subject somewhere over here, I think we can really have a very sturdy position and then take nice pictures with it. So all in all, I think this is a very great combination with the Manfretto 055XPROB and Manfretto 322 RC2. So these two make a great fantastic combination, and I hope you like it too.